everybody, happy week 3. This is Dr. Austin, and I wanted to congratulate you all on navigating the current issues analysis forum. It looks like everybody's kind of getting the hang of that. A couple of things that I wanted to stress with you all to make sure that you do as you go through and do these for the next 6 more weeks. This is really meant to help you prepare for your comprehensive exam. The situation, the prompt, the question that I put on there for you to respond to is along the same lines as what you're going to get for your comprehensive exam. So you're going to have a situation, and then it's going to have some prompts for you to respond to that relate back to the functional areas that you have to know about for the comprehensive. And those are administration, research, counseling, student development theory, assessment, and legal. So those are the areas that you're going to need to be feeling fairly confident on when you start taking your comprehensive exam. So what I've done with this assignment is to break it apart so that you each get practice on each of those areas, but that you can always also see how everyone else responds. So it gives you a little bit of an idea of what kinds of things you might add into your own personal response. When you do take the comprehensive exam and the practices that we'll do, you will do an entire exam. So you'll do all of those functional areas, not just one at a time as we're doing for this forum. But that said, I want to tell you that you're doing a pretty good job. I'd like to see them expanded and elaborated on a little bit, and I definitely want to see you using the material from the courses to back up your responses, to support what it is you're coming up with as your response for that particular functional area to the situation that you've been reading about. So if you are looking at the legal issues portion of it, what might be some of the legal precedent that you studied that pertains to that area? Let's say it's something around Title IX. I know you study Title IX in your legal issues class, so what are some of those really interesting or useful cases that you can cite for your reasons why you're responding to your question in that way? Make sure you cite those things within text and then give a really short reference as well at the end of your response. That way it's good practice for you as you're going through, and then I can see where you might need to have a little more effort or emphasis to make sure that your responses are going well. I'm trying to respond to all of them. Some of them I might respond to more fully at certain times. One thing I've noticed is that folks feel least sure about assessment, so since that's actually the area that I work in, I will be sure to try and focus on that and hopefully give you some more confidence as you move through this particular portion of the capstone class, to make sure that you feel confident when it's time for you to take that comprehensive exam. So hopefully this is going to help, and let me know if you still have any questions about it. Please respond to the particular thread that I create for the functional area you are doing for that week. Don't create any new posts, because then it kind of makes it very difficult to see what you're responding to. And also, you do not need to go out and find your own current issue for the week, because I've already got that up there for you to respond to. So respond to the same one, and then that way we'll all be on the same page. Please let me know if this is helpful for you all, or if there's something that I could do to make it work better. And happy week. Good job.